This tutorial will walk you through reporting a prescription for animal patients to the Arkansas Prescription Drug Monitoring Program, or PDMP. Every dispenser shall submit to the Arkansas PDMP information regarding each Schedule 2 through 5 controlled substance dispensed. Veterinarians must submit the controlled substance dispensing information records every 30 days. Please note that prescribing, writing out a prescription to be filled by a pharmacy, and administration of a medication in a clinical setting are not considered dispensing and therefore are not reported. Pharmacies must submit the controlled substance dispensing information records no later than the next business day after the date of dispensing. Rules pertaining to the Arkansas Prescription Drug Monitoring Program have been amended in December 2021 to improve consistency in reporting prescriptions for animal patients. If the prescription dispensed is for an animal patient, the prescription shall be reported as follows. Number 1, the prescription shall be identified as an animal veterinary patient. 2, the owner of the animal veterinary patient shall be reported to the department by first name, last name, and date of birth. 3, the animal veterinary patient shall be reported. All dispensations submitted must pass through the PMP clearinghouse before being uploaded to the Arkansas PDMP. Dispensations can be reported via several routes. Number 1, via secure file transfer protocol, often used by pharmacies. 2, via a universal claim form, often used by veterinarians. Or 3, via web portal upload. The method by which dispensations are submitted depend on how the dispenser is set up. The dispenser software vendor may upload to the clearinghouse automatically. For larger chains, the corporate office may handle submissions, and in other cases, an employee on site may manually submit dispensation records. For more information on setting up an account with the clearinghouse and on reporting, please see the PMP Clearinghouse User Guide, which can be found on healthy.arkansas.gov. Regardless of the method, route of reporting dispensations, the information will be routed to its assigned field in the Arkansas PDMP. Let's walk briefly through these fields. Recall the law. If a prescription dispensed is for an animal patient, the prescription shall be reported as follows. Number 1, the prescription shall be identified as an animal veterinary patient. 2, the owner of the animal veterinary patient shall be reported to the department by first name, last name, and date of birth. 3, the animal veterinary patient shall be reported. Let's walk through an example for reporting patient information for an animal patient. This example takes place at a pharmacy. A prescription comes to the pharmacy for an animal patient named Bear. The owner's name is Jane Doe, and the owner's date of birth is 6/7/1980. When reporting this dispensation, make sure to identify the prescription as an animal veterinary patient. The process by which a prescription is identified as for an animal patient will be different depending on what vendor the pharmacy uses. For example, some vendors may display a checkbox that, when clicked, indicates the patient is an animal. Report the owner's last name, in this case Doe. Report the owner's first name, in this case Jane. Report the owner's date of birth. Jane's date of birth is 6/7/1980. And finally, report the name of the animal, in this case, Bear. Quick note, if the record is submitted via an online universal claim form, or UCF, commonly used by veterinarians, check the animal box to indicate the patient is an animal and continue. Once the animal box is checked, the animal name field will appear. Proceed accordingly. The owner's first name is Jane, the owner's last name is Doe, the owner's date of birth is 6/7/1980, and the name of the animal is Bear. Let's look at this from the other end, running a patient query. When the dispenser, whether it be a pharmacy or veterinarian, runs a patient query for an animal patient, they'll both search the same parameters. owner first name, owner last name, and owner date of birth. The query results, however, will be very different. For a pharmacy, a history of dispensations for scheduled substances 2 through 5 will appear for both Jane and Bear and any other pet that Jane is owner of. All dispensations for both owner and animal. For a veterinarian, however, the only history of dispensations they will be able to view will be for Bear and any other pet of Jane Doe's, animal dispensations only. Please keep in mind, every dispenser has different processes by which Schedule 2 through 5 controlled substances dispensed are reported. The process is different from the vendor, if there is one, to the submitter, to the route of submission. For any vendor-related questions or concerning required fields and how they are linked, please contact the vendor directly. We welcome your questions. Please contact the Arkansas PDMP at 501-683-3960.